everyone, my name is Adriana Salinas and I'm a dietetic intern. I like to share with you my journey through health and fitness and the things that I've learned. But today I like to talk about the importance of exercise, and I'm going to share with you some exercises that you can do at home. I know that during this COVID-19 we're all stuck at home, so you can use simple things from your pantry to help you get that exercise in. Also, I like to share a really great smoothie recipe that is great for muscle recovery. So let's get started. There are many benefits to exercise, such as increasing our circulation, which delivers more oxygen to our cells. It can help increase our energy levels and decrease our susceptibility to other diseases such as obesity or diabetes and heart disease. The recommendations include 30 minutes per day, minimum of 5 days per week. That's a goal of 150 minutes per week, which we can definitely achieve. So let's get into the exercises. So I like to discuss a few exercises that you can do from your kitchen. I know that it's very difficult to get that exercise in, especially with our busy schedules. So I've come up with 5 exercises that you can do from your kitchen. Let's get started. So the first exercise I'd like to discuss today is the assisted squats. You can use any counter to help you maintain your balance and good form. What happiness is to you, because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high to bring me down. So the next exercise I will be discussing is the incline push-up. You can use any surface, but the higher the surface, the easier the push-up. You can also adjust the difficulty by walking back farther, which will make it a lot more difficult, or to make it easier, walk forward. You feel like a room without a roof, 'cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth, because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. So for this next exercise, grab a couple cans, make sure they're the same size, and we're gonna do some arm workouts. For this next exercise, we're gonna work out our biceps and our shoulders. So with your cans, we're going to curl and press. So for this next exercise, we're going to work out our calves. Next one is called the assisted calf raise. So for this exercise, you can hold onto your counter and raise up onto your tippy toes, 3 sets of 15. To increase the difficulty level, you can always do 1 foot at a time. Feel like happiness is the truth, because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Last but not least is the mountain climber. This is an exercise that you can work in between each of the others to get your heart rate up. So now we're going to use the counter again, walk our feet out, and we're going to run in place, picking our knees up. Next, I like to discuss muscle recovery. While we're exercising, we're creating micro tears in our muscles that need to be repaired. There are many ways that you can do this depending on your goals, but in general, there's 3 main goals. Number 1, you need a good source of carbohydrates. Number 2, some lean protein, and 3, rehydrate. Today I'm going to make a blueberry and banana smoothie. This is going to be great for our muscle recovery for many reasons. The banana is going to have potassium, help replenish those electrolytes we lost during our exercise. The water, rehydrate. These blueberries are full of antioxidants. The Greek yogurt, that's going to have protein and calcium. The rolled oats over here, in this case I use steel cut. It's going to have fiber and also some more protein and carbs. And then these hemp seeds. They're great for protein and... To you, don't waste your time. Here's last step is to pour and enjoy. Cheers to muscle recovery.
You feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down.